Hi everybody, thank you so much for clicking on this video. We are going to start off with our P. Louise Brow Balm. You really want to ensure that you are being very liberal with the brow balm, applying quite a bit of this product to really push the brow hairs up for this really beautiful full brow look effect. And of course, we are going to go over our brows with our spatula just to ensure that they stay in place and it gives them this really cool laminated effect. So now we're going to take the P. Louise eyebrow paint and we're just going to use it on an angled liner brush just to create brow hair strokes, and we're just going to do this to go over the areas of the brow that are sparse. So of course we're going to be using the P. Louise base because what else could we be using? Nothing better than this for sure. I carved underneath the brow and now I'm going to use this amazing 7071 brush to pat the base all over the lid. We want to pat until matte. We are starting with our first blend, and what you want to do is you really just want to take your time building up this color, and you'll see me here using a slightly bigger brush to blend it out. So essentially what you want to do is you want to place your first blend with a smaller brush and then blend it out with a bigger brush. And you see how much I've really built that up. Just take your time. It took me about 10 to 15 minutes just to build this up the way it is right now. Don't rush. Building up your blend is so important, and it's something that you should definitely take your time with. Remember, light pressure, and use a little bit of the eyeshadow at a time. So now I'm going in with this very beautiful pressed pigment, and I just want to really apply that and blend it out as I go. So you see me here blending it out. It's really important to make sure that your pressed pigment and your eyeshadow really blend together very seamlessly. So I'm just swapping between a few different brushes to really make sure that all of the edges of my pressed pigment are perfectly blended into the shadow that we've already laid down. So now I'm really making sure for a seamless blend between my shadow and my pressed pigment. Blank canvas in the waterline. Isn't it just so cool how it just brightened up the eye? So now I'm going to just put some of the base underneath the eye, so that I can go in with the same shadow underneath the eye. How do you guys feel about white in the waterline? I just really love the way that this came out. I really wanted some dramatic lower lashes for this, so I'm really taking my time to really work each individual lash, making sure that the mascara coats each individual lash. So we finished foundation, and now I'm just going in with quite a liberal amount of concealer because I really do love a bright under eye. I also added lashes as well, and I'm just using a patting and a swiping motion to apply concealer. Now it's time for lip liner. I definitely wanted a lip that would complement the eye. I didn't want it to match completely. I just wanted it to, you know, kind of be in the same color family. So after lining the lips, I'm going to use a brush to apply the lip base, and the intention is to blend the lip base into the lip liner. Now we're going to finish the lip off with this amazing lip gloss, and it's always good to apply lip gloss with a flat brush. This is going to allow you to get the best precise application of your lip gloss. Of course, I want to add some depth, some dimension to the face, and we're going to be doing this with some contour, and now we are going in with this amazing highlight palette. The key to highlight is to apply a little bit at a time and blend out as you go. We definitely want to make sure we're setting underneath the eyes and anywhere else on the face that needs to be mattified. And this is the final look. Let me know what you think about it. I had spring summer 2022 in mind when I created this. I just think it's really fresh and it's something I'd wear like on the beach. So let me know where you'd wear this look. And I hope that everyone who's watching this is having an absolutely amazing day. Stay positive and hopeful and prayerful and faithful. And just remember that all of your life's desires are yours. See ya!